The Virto Titanium is the smallest custom product from Phonak ever. With a strong, thin titanium shell, these hearing aids are super discreet. One challenge when fitting custom products is that ear impressions are a static reflection of the client's dynamic ear canal. Ear canals are flexible due to jaw movement and the elasticity of the skin. When you insert the impression material into the ear canal, it does not push against the skin adequately enough to reflect the dynamic tolerance that is available. The Titanium FitGuide assesses this valuable information in order to make the Virto Titanium even more discreet. Before the impression, conduct the Titanium FitGuide protocol to ensure that your client's Virto Titanium is as small as possible. Throughout the process, make sure you move very slowly. To insert the Titanium FitGuide, follow these simple steps. First, let the client know what to expect. Orient the Titanium FitGuide to the client's ear by selecting the appropriate power level. Brace by placing the index and middle finger on the top and bottom of the Titanium FitGuide, with your pinky and ring finger extended against the client's head. Slowly insert the Titanium FitGuide into the first bend. Instruct the client to gently and slowly push the tool further up until their comfort level. Carefully guide their hand to the tool. Gently pull laterally on the client's pinna and have them move their jaw. Once the Titanium FitGuide is as deep as it will safely go, ask the client if they could tolerate this depth for 8 or more hours a day. Collect the measurement by deciphering which indicator is sitting directly in the client's intertragal notch. Place your fingernail at the correct depth and then remove the tool without moving your finger. Count the medial tick marks and indicate that number on the order form. Proceed with ear impressions using the EasyView Auto Block. Make sure that you include the intertragal notch in the impression. Once the impression is removed, hold the impression next to the Titanium FitGuide to ensure that you have adequate length. Thanks to Titanium FitGuide, over 50% of people get an even more discreet fitting Virto Titanium by an average of 2.5 millimeters. 2.5 millimeters is the difference between discreet and super discreet hearing aids. For you, this could be the difference between a sale and a return.
Phonak. Life is on.